Designing a luxury home requires a keen eye for detail and a focus on maximizing the use of space while maintaining an elegant aesthetic. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Today's episode on Design Seeds, we will be talking about how to make your home look expensive. Before we begin, we would like to thank Paramount Property for sponsoring today's venue at the Ashwood Paramount Property Gallery showroom. The Ashwood is located along the Kuala Lumpur's distinguished Embassy Road, U-Thant. The U-Thant enclave is more than an elite neighbourhood. It stands as a premium address for expat living and privileged class. The Ashwood stands as a symbol of exclusivity and opulence within this distinguished address. So with such exclusivity, we took this opportunity to feature their show home as a benchmark of today's topic on how to make your home look expensive. Let's start with today's main agenda on sharing with you how to make your home look opulent, stylish, practical, and most importantly, expensive looking. Here are some top tips worth noting down. Got your pen and paper ready? Here goes tip number 1. Create visual interest. Most people would miss out on taking opportunity of long corridors and corner bare walls. This project, for an instance, once you enter the property, the first sight would be this corner bare wall painted in conventional off-white color. The designers of this project took this opportunity to dress up the entire corner wall, including the long corridor walls, into light wood veneer finish. This naturally elevates the impression of the interior space, sets the home to look luxurious, calming, and cozy. It also improves acoustic for the property too. Creating visual interest is like setting an aim to a focal point. If you want your kitchen to look expensive without breaking the bank, this is definitely a worthy tip to note down. Most ultra-luxurious homes we've featured on our channel have marble finishes across walls, floors, or even carpentry. Instead of compromising on natural materials and giving to artificial or alternative man-made materials like marble-looking tiles or laminates, this would be a wiser alternative. The kitchen is designed to maximize storage and functionality, which includes a built-in oven, microwave, and even a refrigerator. The remaining countertop space is highlighted in travertine stone that adds an opulent and stylish character to the entire kitchen design. Instead of having the entire kitchen wall and island furnished in marble or granite, this would definitely be a more affordable option and yet keeping the expensive look. Tip number 2. Implementing mirrors to your space. It may seem relatively simple, but the location and size of the mirror does make a huge difference. Applying large mirrors in interior spaces at the right spot could amplify spatial impression and elevate the sense of class and elegance. However, if there's too much mirrors, the spaces will look messy, or placing mirrors right when you enter a room could also be frightening. The Ashwood apartment is intentionally designed with an L-shaped balcony that allows for a panoramic view of Kuala Lumpur city skyline and a lush view of the Royal Selangor golf course. And due to the L-shaped sliding doors, the dining table seems like it's parked off-center. The design intention was tackled by a creative thought of mirror placement. The large round mirror that's placed here makes an illusion of an opening to a different space, and it adds a captivating touch to the open floor plan. Tip number 3. Choose timeless color scheme. A monochromatic color scheme using shades of single color can create a calming, elegant look. You should not mix more than 3 to 4 colors in your mood board to create balance and consistency. And a common mistake made by most homeowners in designing their own home is to have multiple design concepts within an apartment. Selection of furnitures are also a key game changer. Before purchasing any furnitures or loose fittings, always refer to the rest of the color palettes of your interior space. This will allow you to achieve a more cohesive and complementing mood board outcome. Before we proceed to the next tip, let us first introduce Design Seeds membership program. If you're new to our channel, please support us by clicking on the join button to contribute a small token appreciation to motivate and give us more encouragement to continue pursuing for more interesting contents for you. I would first sincerely like to say thank you for your kind support. Let's get to tip number 4. Emphasize on lighting. Good lighting can make a small apartment appear much larger and more luxurious. Use a combination of overhead lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting to create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. The curtains along the L-shaped balcony displays light troughs that is hidden within the curtain parapet. This creates a washed-out, diffuse interior lighting mood for the living area. And because the ceiling at the living and dining area has a feature timber ceiling, the feature wall along the living area was intentionally designed to allow for upthrow lighting that gives a comforting glow for the timber ceiling feature. Spotlights, are also commonly known as eyeball fittings, are a must-have to have a classy ambience for your home. And finally, tip number 5, our most important tip of the day. Personalize your space. Don't design a space because you saw it in your friend's home or because you have an extra room and just decide to furnish it with another bedroom set for your guests. Personalize your home based on your family lifestyle. If you have an extra room to spare, ask yourself, do you need a private study space? Or could you settle with working casually at the dry kitchen or the dining area? In this property, the design intention was to hide the extra room as a hidden private mini theatre for the young couple to enjoy their personal movie nights. For Netflix and YouTube fans, this is an idea you could consider. In an apartment, you will realize functional spaces is luxury. Design and personalize spaces that creates purpose and gives a reason to your lifestyle, compared to having several spare bedrooms and end up housing guests only once a year. Space is critical. Make every corner and design purposeful. Consider the flow of the space. Ensure that the layout of the apartment allows for easy movement and a sense of flow between the different areas. The Ashwood boasts 302 units of condominium, 40 units of 2-story duplex alongside the low-rise development with only 12 units of 3 to 4-story villas, making the property a truly rare find in the city. Architecturally designed to have wide windows to allow for fluent cross ventilation and unblocked panoramic view of the city skylines and lush landscape view. This episode refers to the Ashwood Type E floor plans. 1,707 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and comes with a large balcony and 3 to 4 car parks. Most condominium would face challenges having to cook frequently at home or may not allow for a proper laundry space. But the Ashwood condo fits spacious wet kitchen for heavy cooking and a commodious yard for laundry and an extra space for storage and utility room. This property could fit families of various sizes and is also a pet-friendly community. If you want to know more about Ashwood, feel free to pop by their show gallery along Jalan Ampang. We hope you gain some knowledge on how to style your home into making it look luxurious and expensive, and learn tips to counter the commonly made mistakes in renovating your home. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification buzzer to stay in the loop of more of our compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.